Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Where these ants are going? Is it their house?
Yes, it is their home, and they have a huge colony underground. Have a look here. Inside the termite mound.
Where do we find mounds? And do they all appear similar? Or are there different types?
Let's go to my geologist friend to know more about termitaria. Hello, Pronoy. We have seen some termite mounds in our garden. Please tell us more about it. Sure. You know, they occur everywhere, not just in gardens, but in desert, rainforest, woodland, in coastal region too, except for ice-covered area of the continent. All they are all different types of mounts in different geographical location depending on the ant species and rock, soil, the water availability. My team members have studied them from three different states of India. Shikha went to Uttar Pradesh. Rajiv went to Jharkhand, and others studied the mounts from Telangana.
Bandha district, Chitra district, Hyderabad district. Underground mounds in alluvial soil are observed in UP.
Jharkhand has yellow soil and mounts have 2 feet height above the ground with one central duct.
Hyderabad have 5 to 6 feet cathedral type mounds with red sandy soil. They have multiple ducts connected to one central duct.
Do you know there are various myths about these mounts we have heard from people during our excursion through these different states? Then please tell us what are the myths and real fact about these termite mounts?
Myth. Oh, termite mound is here. I will not get enough groundwater if I dig here for hand pump? Fact. Wow, there is enough water even at very shallow depth.
Don't you know? These termite mounds are indicator of shallow groundwater. Though termite mounds are bioindicators for shallow groundwater, it's not always true for all type of terrain.
Myth. Hey, there are termites. Water may not be safe for drinking.
Fact. No worries. It is totally safe.
Myth. Mounds are good to increase fertility. They can give me higher yield for my crops. That's too inorganic way. Let us use it for my crops. Wow, I can earn a lot.
Fact. Wait, be aware. Though they are natural fertilizers, some mounds have higher micronutrients. Excessive micronutrients leads to the toxic effect. You may get high yield, but crops will have harmful effect on human health.
Oh, there are many myths and facts about these termite mounds. But how do we know if the water near the mounds is safe? And which mound soil are useful for fertilizer?
We have collected the water samples near these mounds. Along with the mound soil, the surface soil samples and analyzed it in our lab at CSIR NGRI Hyderabad. Our results suggest water near mounds of UP, Jharkhand, and Telangana are safe for human consumption as they all have very less amount of toxic elements that is below permissible limit. Look at the results here. The surface soil and mound soils both have higher concentration of toxic elements than permissible limit, which means it is advised not to use this mound soil as fertilizers for UP, Jharkhand, and Telangana.
Now I understand the groundwater near mounds can be obtained at shallower levels and they can be used as a biopotential sites for groundwater.
Your analysis also showed that the groundwater near mounds is safe for human consumption. One should not use this termite soil blindly to increase the fertility of soil as some may have higher micronutrients. Consumption of crops from such soil may cause various health hazards.
Conclusion: there are many other type of mounds at different geographic locations that need to be explored further with an interdisciplinary approach, including microbiologists, ecologists, and geologists together.
Disclaimer: this infographic is only for general education and awareness about various socio-cultural beliefs about termite mounds. The facts mentioned in this infographic are only true for termite mounds from the three localities, that is, Banda district, Uttar Pradesh, Chhatra district, Jharkhand, and Hyderabad district, Telangana. The groundwater quality calculated here is only based on organic components. Contamination due to organic microbial activity is not considered here. Thus, it is advised to use raw groundwater post boiling to get rid of microbial contamination.